In the past 2.5 million years, Earth's climate has fluctuated, going between ice ages and warmer periods. Current global warming began 18,000 years ago, when the Earth started warming its way out of the last ice age, called the Pleistocene. Since the end of the last ice age, Earth's temperature has risen approximately 16 degrees Fahrenheit, and sea levels have risen 300 feet. During this ice age, over half of Earth's surface was covered by glaciers or extreme deserts. Summers were short and winters were brutal. Because of global warming, forests returned to places where once there was only ice. This was able to happen through organisms evolving and becoming able to breathe oxygen and release carbon dioxide, helping our planet to thaw. One study shows that due to volcanic activity, large amounts of CO2 were released into the atmosphere. As a result, large amounts of methane stored in ice melted and was released, amplifying the effects of global warming. With just 1 more degree Celsius, it'll be hotter than it's been within the last million years. Since the last 100 years, the planet's temperature has risen unusually fast. This is due to human activity causing the temperature to rise. Since the Industrial Revolution began, factories, power plants, and cars have been emitting carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases trap the sun's reflections bouncing off Earth, causing the Earth to heat up. Scientists have found that Arctic sea ice has declined by 10% in the last 30 years. They also predict that temperatures will continue to rise 2 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit by the end of the century. Rising sea levels, changing weather patterns, more intense hurricanes, severe droughts, and some animals going extinct are all the effects of global warming. The bush wren, Tasmanian tiger, and passenger pigeon, just to name a few, have all gone extinct within the past 100 years. There are many more endangered animals that will go extinct due to rapid global warming and their inability to adapt. The fact that ecosystems are so fragile and all creatures depend on one another for survival means that one species' extinction could have dire effects on us all. While there are some small things individuals can do on a daily basis to help the Earth, such as recycling, being smarter consumers, and not depending so much on fossil fuels, the major changes needed to stop current global warming must come from big governments and developing countries. As humans, we must understand that global warming will not kill the Earth, but instead it could kill us and the animals we cohabitate with. The Earth will go on. The question is, will we? As humans, we must understand that global warming will not kill the Earth, but instead it could kill us and the animals we cohabitate with. The Earth will go on. The question is, will we?